In this video, we will see how to shorten the bracelet of a watch, and this is a leech watch, and we will try to shorten the bracelet. So let's dive into it. So first of all, I want to show this watch. This is leech silver green watch. The model number is 110045, and if I try to wear it on my wrist, you will notice that it's a bit loose on my wrist. My wrist size is 6.5 inches, so I think if I look over here, if I try to measure how many links I need to remove, I think I need to remove around 3 links. I'm not sure if you're able to see it. 3 links I need to remove. So from this side we will remove 2 links, and from this we can remove 1. So it should be okay. Okay, so for doing this job we have 2 tools. This one I purchased it from Amazon, and this one I got with this watch. So let's start. First of all, we will try to use this one. So yeah, this one's, let's try to remove from here. Okay, on most of the bracelet, if you look, you will see that there is an arrow sign. I'm not sure if you're able to see here, this one. It's downwards, it's going downward. It means that we need to push it from this side. From this side we need to push. And over here, if you see, you can see there is a crack between the pin. So which means that we should not try to push from this side. We should always try to push from this side. So there are 2 ways to identify it. One, there is arrow sign. If it's going downwards, then you have to push from here. And the second one to identify is look at the pin, and if there's a crack in it, there's a partition in it, then you have to push the pin from the other side, from this one. So let's try to do it. Yeah, push. Okay. Came out. And now do the other thing. Try to do one more. It's cool. Here, take one of the pin, and now you have to put it from the other side. From this side you pushed, and from this side you will push it back here. Now you can see some part of it's outside. If you try to push it with your finger, it will not go inside. So what you need to do, you need to press this side on some hard surface. Like right now I'm working on a table, so what I'll do, I'll put this link over here, the link which I have removed, and I'll try to push this against it. Did you hear that sound? Knock sound? Now from here we need to do it, remove 2 links. So this time we'll try to use this tool. Okay. In order to use it, you just need to fit your strap or your bracelet in it and point this needle at the link which you want to remove, and the other side will be in this cavity. So now try to screw in. Oops, sorry. Yeah. I'll try to screw in. The pressure from the screwdriver will actually from this needle. Okay, so now pull it from here. And again, you need to put it back. Just screw it. And just now target one more link. Okay. So here. Slowly. Okay. See, the other link is also about to come. Okay. So total we have removed 3 links. Now we will put the pin from the other side. It's a simple process. Just need to push the pin. We'll repeat the same exercise again. Put the link. Try to push it against it. Yep. Done. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 5 links at each side. Again. This one. Okay. I would say it's a little bit tight on my wrist. So I think I need to put one link back. So if you have to put one link back into the bracelet, always put that in the upper side. There are 2 sides, the upper one and the lower one. So put that link on the upper side. Here, just try to fit it. That's it. Now this side. Here. So now again, try to put it on your wrist. First one side, then the other side. Yeah, this time it's a bit loose. I would say it's better fit now. So, yep, that's it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It will help me as well as others to find the content. Thank you very much.